Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how do we put in delivery charges as well as free shipping above. Now let's say in this order we want that the customer should be paying 250 rupees extra for shipping this product, as well as if somebody orders more than 10,000 rupees of products, then that shipping should become free. Now how do we configure that? We can go into settings, and from settings we can go down and click on shipping. And here the standard shipping rate, we'll put it as 250, as well as free shipping above, we'll put it as 10,000. When we do that, if we refresh, we'd find that nothing happens. We are going to clear the cart. We are going to go into a product, add this product, go into the cart, and then we will see that a shipping of 250 rupees has been added. And if somebody increases the quantity, then it will become free. Moreover, you will see that whenever we are adding a product, it's going to say add this much amount of goods more to your cart so that your free shipping will be there. So this makes sure that the customer, we are actually upselling to the customer because we are telling them to add that much worth of products to gain free shipping. So that's all how you configure delivery charges or shipping rates as well as free shipping. Thank you.